Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're opening up the 2019 Hot Wheels H case. I'm also doing another Hot Wheels car giveaway for this case, so make sure you subscribe, like the video, and comment your favorite car for a chance to win. Now let's zoom inside this case and find out which brand new Hot Wheels cars we have inside. The first car in the box is a blue color of the Nissan Fairlady Z. Up next in the case is a new silver color of Aaron Wheels wheelie chair. Then our third vehicle for the H case is the HW Metro Rig Heat, followed up by a very interesting Experimotors vehicle called Skyboat. Here we have the iconic Nightburners 96 Porsche Carrera. And on the end here we have a new color of the Street Beast Croc Rod. The next row begins with the Musclemania 2011 Dodge Charger RT. Then we have the red HW Speed Graphics Pagani Huayra. From the X-Racers, we have the bottle opener car Carbonator, followed by the perfect car for the Rod Squad, the Z-Rod. Here we have a Musclemania 67 Chevelle SS 396. Over on the left, we have a gold Super Chromes edition of the car Electrac. On to the next row, we have the basic edition of the Super Treasure Hunt 68 Mercury Cougar. Alongside the Cougar is a new color of the X-Racers Gazella GT. Up next from Musclemania, we have the blue 2018 Copo Camaro SS. Here we have a new edition of the HW Speed Graphics Mazda RX-7. We saw this one in the last case, the Speed Blur 92 Ford Mustang. And over on the left hand side we have a rusty custom Volkswagen Beetle. Starting on the next row we have an HW Rescue truck called 5 Alarm. As part of the X-Racers we have the see-through Salt Shaker. From HW Roadsters we have a black and blue color of Roadster. Another one from X-Racers, this one is called Carbide. And here comes one of my personal favorites, the HW Exotics McLaren Senna. Then we have a second one of the 96 Porsche Carrera. Moving on to the next row, we have a new color of the Volkswagen Golf Mark II. Another Volkswagen model, we have the red Volkswagen Beetle pickup truck. And we've got a second one of the HW Flames 68 Mercury Cougar. We found this one earlier in the case, the Street Beast Croc Rod. From HW Moto, there's a red Ducati 1199 Panigale. And once again, here's the blue HW Metro truck Rig Heat. Onto the bottom row, there's a new color of the 87 Dodge D100. Alongside it is the blue Experimotors car Slide Kick. Another HW Moto bike, this one is Blastus Moto. We've got another HW Speed Graphics Mazda RX-7, followed by the HW Rescue Police Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. And the last car for the first half is the Rod Squad Z-Rod. Alright, the first car in the second half of the case is the red Pagani Huayra. Then we have a second one of the rusty custom Volkswagen Beetle. A very hot new model for the case, the red Nightburners 2018 Honda Civic Type R. From HW Hot Trucks, we have the 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck. Up next, we have a bright green color of the HW Speed Graphics 2018 Camaro SS. And over on the left, we have a new color of the Dino Riders Motosaurus. As part of the Speed Blur collection, we have a new color of the car Exotic. We've got a second one of the HW Exotics Forza Horizon 4 McLaren Senna. Alongside the Senna, we have a new color of the Batman The Dark Knight Batmobile. Our next car in the case is the HW Screen Time The Amazing Spider-Man Spider-Mobile. Then from HW Flames, we have the red 66 Chevy Nova. And from HW Metro, a blue color of the iconic burger car Buns of Steel. The next row starts off with an all-new model, the Robo Race Robocar. Then we have a car from Street Beasts, the yellow Evil Weevil, followed by the HW Hot Truck's white color of Too Tough. Another one from Dino Riders, the red color of Tricera Truck. Next in the case from Nightburners, we have the black color of the 88 Honda CRX. And over on the left side, we have the Rod Squad Turbo Charged. Here we have a new white color of the Golf Racing 68 Chevy Nova. Then another one of the HW Rescue Police Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. We found this one just a minute ago, it's the Dark Knight Batmobile. And we've got a second one of the Street Beast Evil Weevil. Once again from HW Speed Graphics, we have the 68 Chevy Nova. And we've got a second one of the Nightburners 88 Honda CRX. Down to our last 12 cars, we've got the HW Flames 70 Chevelle SS Wagon. Another one of the HW Metro Blue Buns of Steel. We saw this one at the start of the case, the Experimotors Skyboat. The new red color of the 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup truck. A second one of the Nightburners 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Followed up by another Nightburners vehicle, the Fairlady 2000. Onto the last 6 cars of the case, we've got the regular Treasure Hunt Head Starter. A second one of the yellow Fairlady 2000. Here we have the Musclemania 67 Chevelle SS 396. Our second one of the HW Race Day Robo Turbo Race Robocar. The second to last car is the Experiment Motors The Hollinator. And the last car for the H case is the 2011 Dodge Charger RT. So there we have the unboxing of the 2019 Hot Wheels H case. I'm giving away these 3 cars here to 1 lucky subscriber, so make sure you subscribe, like the video, and comment your favorite car for a chance to win. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.